Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to use the slicer feature in Power BI. Power BI slicer is commonly used to add filters to the canvas or display filters in the report canvas. Let's start by exiting this screen, clicking on File, then Open. We'll select our Power BI file and click on Open. From here, we'll click on the slicer visualization. Then we'll select what data we want to see specifically from the fields column. We'll choose fiscal month for this data, and we can start selecting the fiscal month breakdown we want to see here. Holding on the Control key if on a Windows, we can select more than one fiscal month. We could change the slicer window by dragging the sliders at the bottom. Now, we'll dive into some other slicer features by clicking on Format and then Items. We can change the font color by clicking here and selecting what we want from the color choices. We can do the same for the background. We can increase or decrease the font text size in this field by clicking on the arrows, and we can also change the font itself over here in this field. Turning background on, we can make adjustments to the slicer window background and select a color. We can then adjust the transparency of that color if needed. Turning on border, we can adjust the radius of the slicer window using the slider. We can then adjust any gaps in the border with a separate color if needed. Going to visual headers, we can adjust the background color and transparency for the visual headers shown here.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.